Hey there, welcome back to Paper Sketch Anime Channel. This is Darza, your beginner anime artist and host. I do apologize for not posting last week's video because I was experiencing a work burnout from an over 60 hours work week. And to top it all off, I also received news that my company is starting to lay off people next year, which included my department. Life is good at throwing curveball at people's lives when least expected, doesn't it? With work burnout and layoff news, I was tired and demoralized and decided not to upload last week's video. Furthermore, I did not have much sketches to review. I only drew for 2 days out of that week, so I decided to include last week's drawings into this week's video upload. Once again, I do apologize for not uploading any video last week, and I should have posted an explanation for postponing the upload. Okay, with the heavy stuff out of the way, let's review this week's drawing progress, shall we? On the 24th of August 25, I only managed to draw 2.5 full body sketch. As you can see, the first one here on the left, and the middle one on the page, and the third one I just simply left it unfinished because I was pretty tired out from that day's work. On the 27th of August, after 2 days not drawing, I finally had the time and managed to sketch out 4 full anatomy full body drawings. As you can see on the left side, this body I managed to fill in the facial features of the hair and the face and everything. But the other third here, I just left it as blank, as a generic full body. On the 30th of August, I started off with a full body sketch on the right here. Then afterwards, I proceeded to draw 2 pairs of eyes here and here. And afterwards, I finished the day by drawing a full anime body sketch on the page on the right. On the 31st of August, I have sketched 2 full body drawings here and here, and afterwards I outlined their bodies with ink afterwards. And then on the 2nd of September, I missed a day of drawing on the 1st. But on this day, I finally managed to have the time and draw 2 full anatomy bodies, drawing here on the left, here on the right. And afterwards, I proceeded to outline the body with ink. Continuing on from the 2nd of September, I proceeded to relearn how to draw the human torso again. Because for the last few days, I noticed my full anatomy body drawings. The human torso regions area are very stiff and unlifelike. On the 3rd of September, I continued to draw 4 more torso drawings here, here, and here, and here. Afterwards, I proceeded to draw a full body anatomy sketch here. On the 4th of September, I drew 2 more full anatomy body drawings. The first one here, and the second image of a full body here as well. On the 5th of September, I tried to do something different today by trying to learn how to draw a character in 30 days scheduled from a YouTube digital artist. The first thing I have to do is to select a few favorite characters and sketch them out. And here are a few of the characters here and here. And here's the 3rd character. Then I proceeded to draw each character's faces in different angles. The first character, 3 faces in different angle here and here. And another 3 more angles here on the bottom. And the last three angles here, here, and here. On the 6th of September, using the characters' references and try to draw the body outline underneath the clothing. For this exercise, I use my tablet for this. I will post the final results in the video in the next few seconds. And as for the next exercise, I'm supposed to copy the head outline and the facial features. Once I've done that, I'm supposed to erase the facial features and redraw them again from memory. So for the first characters, you can see here in the bottom, I drew the head, and afterwards I erased the eyes, the face, the nose, and everything. Then I try to redraw them again using my memory. And here's the second character's head. And here again, the final two drawings for the second character and for the third character here as well.